13 reasons why clove tea is a must-try. Do you find yourself yearning for a little excitement in your everyday routine since your morning seems so drab and boring? Toast to a lovely change and bid adieu to your boring tea routines with a warm cup of clove tea. Every sip will transport you to a winter wonderland because to the warm, fragrant scents of cloves, but the experience doesn't stop there. This charming drink is also packed with tons of advantages, like its amazing capacity to cure hangovers and support skin that looks younger. Clove tea is quite beneficial. Firstly, strengthen your immunity. Are you sick of feeling like a walking tissue box and getting sick all the time? Clove tea is come to save the day. So put an end to your worries. This delicious and fragrant drink has the ability to strengthen your immune system and help it fight off those pesky viruses and bacteria. Antioxidants found in cloves, especially eugenol, work well to squelch dangerous free radicals that can damage your cells and compromise your immune system. Furthermore, clove tea's anti-inflammatory properties serve as immune system peacekeepers, keeping inflammation in check so your body may concentrate on fending off real dangers. Second, control diabetes. Are you trying to find a hidden weapon to manage your diabetes? You only need to look at this tasty and spicy drink. According to a study in the Journal of Natural Medicines, clove extract significantly lowered the blood sugar levels of rats. Additionally, the study showed that in diabetic rats, clove extract decreased oxidative stress and increased insulin sensitivity. It's science at work, not magic. Cloves include substances that slow down the bloodstream's absorption of sugar, limiting sharp increases and averting the dreaded sugar crashes. The next time you're craving something sweet and worried about its sugar content, opt for a mug of clove tea instead. Clove tea also improves insulin sensitivity. 3. Improve the health of your digestive system. Discover how clove tea's amazing qualities can help you digest food better. Eugenol, the main ingredient in cloves, helps break down food and relieve stomach symptoms by inducing the formation of digestive enzymes. Clove tea's cozy, pleasant taste helps ease the gastrointestinal tract's tense muscles, which speeds up the breakdown process. That's not all, though. Bloating and nausea are only two of the stomach-related problems that clove tea helps with. Research has indicated that the application of clove extract mitigates the symptoms of nauseous vomiting by diminishing intestinal and stomach irritation. Think of clove tea as a cozy hug for your digestive system, promoting healthy and effective digestion and relieving common gastrointestinal aches and pains. Fourth, aid in the cleansing of the liver. Imagine your liver as a superhero who fights off the poisons and impurities that build up in your body without stopping. But even superheroes require a reliable partner from time to time, and clove tea fills that requirement. Think of clove tea as the devoted friend who enhances your liver's potential even further. Drinking a cup of clove tea every day will help you avoid those dangerous poisons. Compounds in clove tea encourage the formation of bile, which is an essential fluid the liver uses to process and remove toxins from the body. Additionally, consuming clove tea improves your liver's general performance, making it even more effective in getting rid of waste and poisons from your body. The fifth tip is to encourage sound sleep. Examine the properties of cloves that promote sleep, as well as the effects of its active ingredient, eugenol, which has been the subject of much research. According to a notable 2012 study, eugenol has a calming impact on the central nervous system, which suggests that it may help to promote peaceful sleep. Additionally, a different study found that eugenol has anxiolytic qualities, which successfully lower anxiety levels, a problem that is frequently linked to sleeplessness. Furthermore, the comforting feeling and warmth that come from drinking hot tea help to establish an atmosphere that is favorable for restful sleep. Enhanced skin health is the sixth step. Discover all of the advantages clove tea has to offer your skin because of its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities. Clove tea's antioxidants act as protectors for your skin, preventing free radical damage that can lead to wrinkles and other aging symptoms. Clove tea's anti-inflammatory qualities help to lessen redness and puffiness while restoring a renewed, youthful appearance to your skin. That's not all, though. Warm steam from a cup of clove tea gives your face a spa-like feeling, similar to a facial sauna session, all from the comfort of your couch. 7th, encourage good dental hygiene. Take advantage of clove tea's amazing properties to improve your oral health. Eugenol. The key ingredient in cloves is well known for treating toothaches, bad breath, and some oral infections. It also functions as a natural antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and anesthetic, relieving toothache pain and maintaining a clean, fresh mouth. In addition, adding clove tea to your regimen gives your tea experience a wonderful touch. It's quite easy to make, and it tastes great warm or cold. A cup of clove tea is the ideal companion whether you're relaxing by the pool on a hot summer afternoon or snuggled up by the fireplace on a freezing winter's day. Supporting weight loss is number 8. Learn about clove tea, which can help you lose weight by increasing your metabolism and decreasing your hunger. Cloves include components that are thermogenic, which means they can raise your body's metabolic rate and improve how well you burn calories. Furthermore, clove tea efficiently suppresses cravings for unhealthy snacks and foods by promoting a feeling of fullness and pleasure. Interestingly, in rats with diet-induced obesity, clove extract showed anti-obesity properties, according to a study published in the Journal of Food and Function. According to the study, clove extract works by raising the activity of enzymes involved in fat metabolism and preventing the intestines from absorbing fat. 9. Encourage calmness and lessen tension. Examine the possibility of using clove tea, which has been shown in numerous studies, to reduce tension and anxiety. In one study, mice given clove extract under stressful conditions showed a significant decrease in stress hormone levels as well as an improvement in general well-being. Another study showed that when clove's ingredient, eugenol, was given to rats at higher levels, the rodent symptoms of anxiety improved. Moreover, the body is soothed by the warmth that clove tea emits, which helps to relax muscles and fosters a feeling of tranquility. Improve cardiovascular health, number 10. Take use of clove tea's amazing capabilities to improve your cardiovascular health by using its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Research has shown that taking clove extract can raise levels of HDL cholesterol, the good kind of cholesterol, while also dramatically lowering levels of triglycerides, LDL cholesterol, and total cholesterol. Moreover, studies on hypertensive rats have demonstrated that clove extract lowers blood pressure, highlighting the extract's potential to support normal blood pressure levels. Having a cup of clove tea is not only a wonderful treat with warming flavors, but it is also a valuable tool for heart health improvement. Clove tea can support cardiovascular health, but it's vital to note that regular cardiovascular exercise is still necessary. Number 11. Improve mental capacity. Taking a cup of clove tea is like giving your valuable gray matter liquid money. Cloves include chemicals and antioxidants that enter your brain like little ninja warriors and protect it from inflammation and harm. A noteworthy investigation that was published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that feeding rats with Alzheimer's disease cloves enhanced their memory and cognitive abilities. This improvement was ascribed to a decrease in the brain's production of amyloid plaques. All of it is beautiful in its natural state. To fully maximize your cognitive potential, all you need is a cup of clove tea, no pricey supplements or mind-blowing medications needed. 12. Lessen arthritic pain. See clove tea as a committed personal trainer that will help your joints stay pain-free, flexible, and strong. Get rid of those cracking, creaking noises from your joints because they will become as smooth as butter. Cloves contain unique chemicals that have strong anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. Together, these qualities lessen inflammation and ease joint pain, providing comfort and halting more joint deterioration. As a result, diseases including gout, osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis may advance more slowly. 13th, help with urinary tract infections treatment, UTIs. Discomfort and disruption to daily living can result from UTIs. The kidneys, bladder, ureters, and urethra are just a few of the urinary system organs that may be impacted by these infections. Frequent urination, burning sensations, murky or strongly scented urine, and discomfort in the abdomen are common symptoms. The tea with cloves is a great ally in the fight against UTIs. It functions by stopping the infection-causing germs from sticking to the bladder and urinary system walls. Clove tea's antibacterial qualities help to eradicate germs and lessen the intensity of the infection. Additionally, by lowering urinary tract inflammation, it helps to relieve pain and suffering related to UTIs. Are you prepared to enjoy this wonderfully tasty and healthful tea? A potent and all-natural method of enhancing general health and well-being is provided by clove tea. Additionally, adding clove tea to your regimen gives your tea choices more excitement and variety. Its distinct warm and somewhat spicy flavor makes it a nice change from your typical cup of coffee or tea. You can pair it with honey, lemon, or ginger for extra flavor and health advantages. The best thing is that clove tea is quite easy to make. It only takes a few minutes to steep a few whole cloves in boiling water. Clove tea is definitely something to think about, whether you're looking for a novel and energizing tea experience or a natural way to improve your health. We appreciate your opinions. If you find this information useful and instructive, please let us know in the comments. To ensure you don't miss any upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Remember to like and share this insightful article. Maintain your health and keep your well-being as your top priority.